Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we got space buns, bitches! I'm kidding. Okay, anyway, just to get back to being serious, my name is Shelly, and welcome back to my channel. And here I'm doing 16 looks for Halloween. So we are on look number 4. So today we are doing a Cheshire cat, and I started off by prepping my skin, and I already did my eyebrows off camera. So now I'm using my retractable white eyeliner from the beauty supply store. Oh my god, what am I doing? To actually outline where our tail is actually disappearing, because I think that's actually dope. This look is actually recreation of Art Beauty Chaos on Instagram. I saw this and I was just like, oh my god, I have to recreate this. This is so lit. So yeah, we are just creating where we're going to be disappearing, quote unquote, at. And I'm just making little swirlies. This is going to be an illusion piece. So yeah, so I will come back to y'all when we get to the eyeshadow part. So right now I'm using the James Charles palette. For my transition shade, I use Code James. And then now we're going back into the shade Single. It's this very light lavender purple color. And then we're going to go into the color Skip, which is this really bright pink color. Of course, y'all know pink is my favorite color, girl. And of course, we cannot do a look if I cannot vamp it up a little bit. So I'm going in with a deeper purple, which is the color Escape from this palette. And of course, we are doing a cut crease. I can't keep away from these damn cut creases. And as for the star of the show, we are using the shade Artistry. This is the prettiest purple I have ever seen in my freaking life, okay? And I'm not even a purple type of girl. I think I like it because it has a few little pink flexes in it. So yeah, and then I'm going back in with that Escape color to kind of deepen it up a little bit more. And of course, we are going in with a serious cat eye, y'all. How can we do a Cheshire cat without a big ass wing, okay? There's no question about it. Y'all already know we're flying away with this one, girl. After I apply my lashes, we're going to go in and start drawing my actual mouth part. And, I'm just doing a typical, wide grin, of course, because it's a Cheshire cat. And then I'm going to jump into my facial routine. I just started realizing, like, hey, I should do my foundation before I get into all this. And I'm being extra, so I'm sorry you guys have to witness this. But, yeah, so we're just blending it out with my Real Technique sponge. And I'm just going through my regular face routine. I'm using a light purple to start drawing out my cat nose, and then I'm going to use a white body paint to actually highlight the tip of it, and I'm going to use a darker purple to kind of outline the nose. Here's where the fun starts, girl. Okay, we are going in with that Skip color, and we're just smushing it all over our face. Wherever you usually bronze contour at, just throw it all over your face, girl. Have fun, get messy with it. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm going super ham with this Skip color. It don't even matter. Like, we're the Cheshire cat. That's your excuse. Boom. And then we're going to go in with that Escape color right over top of the Skip color. Now we're going back into the painting process. I'm using Mayron Paradise paints, and I'm using a very light pink to start off with my tail part. And then we're going to use like this kind of muddy pinkish purple color to fill in the background of where we're disappearing at. So it looks like it's in the background of where we're disappearing. And then we are going to outline and fill that in with black body paint. So we're going to start filling the rest of our mouth in, and since the Cheshire Cat is known for his very wide grin, I wanted to make this scary. Again, another twisted piece. So I'm filling that back in with some black body paint, and then we're going to fill the teeth in with white body paint. Y'all, I done put some damn contacts in, and for those who don't know, I am very blind without my prescription contacts in, so I'm literally blind as I'm doing this, so thank God it actually came out the way I wanted it to. And I'm using this spray on color hairspray, and literally I'm going to town with it because literally, like I said, I'm blind doing this, so I'm just literally having fun throwing a few different shades of purple up in there because why not? And yeah, just have fun with it. So that is it for my Cheshire Cat. You guys, this was one of my favorite pieces that I have done so far in this series. I love the Cheshire Cat. I love how sarcastic he is. I love how he just like fucks with people. Like he just always fucks with people. He's not a good or a bad guy or whatever, but like he just does his own thing. He's a cat, you know, like cats do whatever they want. I just vibe out with that. I don't know why, but like he's like one of my favorite characters from Alice in Wonderland. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.